are going to Kiev, Ukraine to check out what hardware development looks like there. Here I'll share some quick snippets of places that I toured while I was there, but there's a much more in-depth article on SolidSmack.com if you want more details. My first stop was Conceptor, a hardware accelerator inside UNIT.city, which is an innovation center in Kiev. They gave me a tour of the FabLab that's located right below them, which they use to work on projects called Fabricator.
Here is the area with the more precise 3D printers.
Oh.
It's SLA printers that can print things like jewelry, like very small details. Details this size. And yeah, with a very different range of materials, even transparent, semi-transparent one, a very hard one, very light one. This thing you can tell by its weight. Yeah, it's some engineering plastic with some properties, and you can even print metal on this SLS 3D printer.
That's so cool.
Yeah, bakes metal powder layer by layer. And you can print ceramics here. It's a real ceramic, just regular one. It was printed like in FDM technology, layer by layer, and then was baked in this oven.
And then it's done. And the printer. No.
Here's the area with the laser cutting machines.
Laser cutter.
It's just a big regular one laser machine. You can load material here and cut anything. And here is the modern one, blow forge. They use it for more precise operations. This printer can even scan the area that you can put the piece of any material here, and it will scan the area of the material, and it will tell you if you can put the shape that you want to cut on that piece.
Cool. Oh, it's still printing.
Yeah,
cool.
Yeah, it's still printing.
The ceramic 3D printer in action. Wow.
It will take like 47 minutes to print this model, and then it have to dry a bit on that area, and it will be then baked in the oven to the state, to the hard state of the current ceramics. Here is just a regular CNC machine for cutting wooden shapes. It's a three-dimensional. And here is the area for finishing. They have sanding machines, cutters, different types of cutting machines. They have even sanding camera that you can sand your plastic prototypes with a sanding machine. You can put your hands in these gloves.
Oh, sandblasting.
Yeah, sandblasting. Different tools. So you can manufacture any of your prototypes from the beginning to all the steps.
All the way? All the
All
things?
the way, yeah. We worked with this company. It's a Ukrainian startup called Kiev. They developing ECG monitor for people. It's a wearable. You can wear it on the chest, on the heart. They have 2 electrodes, and they monitor the ECG in the real time and can advise you and prevent some issues with the heart. Yeah, heart attacks.
Does it even work for women?
Yeah. They tested it. It has a sticker that you can click to these contacts. It's a sticker, medical grade sticker that you place here, and you can unplug this device when you take a shower or something. But they even have ingress protection like IP68. And this is an old one, old version. They were on Kickstarter with them, and it is designed by that Art KB company I told you before. It's a first generation, and we were developing the new one. It's a rough prototype of our design. It's more sleek, smaller, lighter, has IP68 protection. And here's the different range of products.
Even shoes?
Yeah, even shoes. It's the examples of products who prototyped their products here in FabLab.
Wow, cool.
It's a very different one. PetCube is other famous Ukrainian startup. They maybe you know them. No?
I think I saw
It's-
it through your website.
yeah, it's
one of your
we
companies?
helped PetCube to develop one of their products. It's a range of cameras, mainly focused on pet care.
You use optics all the time.
What?
You use optics all the time.
Yeah, but it was before I came to the company, so I don't developed anything with
Okay.
optics. Yeah, but they developed first product was a joystick camera that you can remotely use to look for your pet when you're not at home, and you can even talk through camera to your pet and hear what the pet is doing.
To
And the
really
camera,
screw up your pet.
yeah, and you could set up the camera that it will tell you with a notification on the phone where the pet is, I don't know, dog is barking at home. It will wake up the camera, and camera will send you a notification that like a dog is barking, and you can talk to your dog through the camera. The second product was the camera with a laser toy. You can play with a laser toy through your iPhone when you're not at home. So you can play with your cat or dog when you're not at home. And
Very cool.
the pretty recent one were with a feeder. You can load it with a feed
Yeah, I
with a
think I
food.
saw that one.
Yeah, and you can
Fling a treat at it.
yeah.
After visiting Conceptor, I traveled all the way to the left bank to see the guys at DIY Lab. DIY Lab is a nonprofit meant to bring together makers to make things, and sometimes projects emerge from this organization to get selected to be in their IoT Hub accelerator. The guys there showed off some of the projects they've worked on over the years, including Wow Ads, which is a drone that spells out messages with LED lights. And they also introduced me to Feel VR, which makes steering wheels and pedals for driving simulations to make them feel really, really realistic, I'm told. A huge thanks to all my gracious hosts on this trip. If you want more information on hardware startup culture in Kiev, Ukraine, and possibly dumplings filled with cherries, check out the full article on SolidSmack.com. Thank you for watching.